What's up everyone? This video is about installing your Pioneer DJ controller's driver onto your Mac, High Sierra or higher. So basically, assuming that you've gone to the product page and have downloaded the driver, you should be able to download it as per normal, but there will be a pop-up prompting you about allowing to pass through the security side of things. And this is the window right here. It prompts you to open up security preferences, wait for that to load, and you should see a message here saying system software from developer Pioneer DJ Corp was blocked from loading. Make sure you allow that, and from there on in, get out of that, wait for that to finish, and that should complete your driver installation. And you can also make sure by going back to system preferences, once you've plugged in your controller, click over to sound output, make sure your driver is there, and you should be able to use Rekordbox or your other DJ program and start DJing. And if you've got any further queries, make sure that there is a procedure on what I have just discussed down here, and that basically shows you the procedure of everything. Let us know if you've got any queries.